Well, here's a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT Convertible. 2010, can you imagine, just 23,000 miles? Still a brand new car. This is a beautiful torch red on the exterior, ebony on the interior, and it has a beautiful ebony convertible top. Now under the hood, 436 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $4,205 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you this includes heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sport seats, universal garage door transmitter, and it has the Bluetooth package. It also has the Grand Sport package, revised shocks, stabilizer bar, and spring specifications, Z06 sized wheels, tires, brakes, wider fenders and quarter panels, and it has the Z06 style rear spoiler and front splitter, the Z06 style front bumper, and performance axle ratio. It has a power top as well, as dual mode exhaust, chrome wheels, wonderful Bose CD-XM MP3 stereo. It has the steering wheel controls as well, has navigation, has OnStar, compass, auto dimming mirrors, HID headlights, dual zone climate control, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, electric rear hatch pull down, and of course everything on this car is power. It has ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax. As you can see, it's loaded with options. All of our Corvettes are handpicked here at buyavet.net. And again, this convertible shows just 23,323 miles. It's in good condition. The car's paint is in good condition. It has a great shine, and the convertible top is in very good condition as well as those chrome wheels, which are in very good to excellent condition. You can see that the interior of this Corvette convertible shows good to very good factory leather seats, steering wheel, door panels. Additions to this car include silver Grand Sport Heritage style stripes, window tint, and mild to wide remote fobs for the factory dual mode exhaust. So give us a call today here at buyavet.net at 770-414-5552 or buyavet.net. Hope to hear from you really soon.